This is Pride Mobility's newest unit called the Jazzy Carbon. This is a folding power chair with a 300-pound weight capacity. This unit is Airline Approved and gets up to 9.3 miles on a full charge. This unit does have the ability to have the battery removed and can make this unit only 39 total pounds. If you leave the battery pack inside the unit, it's 43.6 pounds. This unit is Airline Approved, so you are able to remove the joystick and bring this onto your carry-on bag so you don't have to worry about your unit getting damaged. You can see Mr. Brown here learning how to fold the unit and then picking it up and easily putting this in the back of his vehicle. This is going to be a game changer for 39 pounds total weight with the battery removed with a 300-pound capacity. There's nothing else on the market like it. If you have any questions, give us a call.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.